Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hi. Welcome back. Sorry. Varsha, and I'm like, it's my first time getting Varsha, and I'm pretty much.
Okay, so okay, wait,
Metro thing is. Hi guys. So this is our first YouTube vlog. Our first step to starting vlogging
yeah.
as two young adults who are trying to juggle with studies, and then we are starting content creation now. So we think this major vlog we are starting will be about traveling and exploring food places and
Lots of other places in
yeah.
and around Bangalore as well. So yeah, now it's time to introduce ourselves.
So to introduce myself, I'm Varsha. I'm a first year engineering student. My major is in robotics and AI, and my hobbies are pretty much like I just try to do anything that is interesting or anything I find curious. So we'll move on to my friend right now.
Yeah, so guys, I'm Janvi and I've taken up BSc in economics and yeah, I'll be pursuing in that. And yeah, so to talk about more,
Hobbies.
yeah, hobbies, I find myself engaged in dancing and then creating content. I have my own Instagram page, you can follow that as well. It's called Janvi underscore Vijay. So yeah, after that we will just tell you how we met and like how we became friends and how we got the idea of starting this YouTube channel, everything in detail. So yeah, tell how we met first.
Okay, so we were just two random, very opposite kind of people who met in ninth grade in our tuition.
Name Paul.
Paul's, yeah, Paul's tutorials in Malaysiaram. You guys should check it out. It's a really crazy place to have fun while studying. And then we were very hesitant to actually get to know each
I
other and
think we were
talk.
the only ones from Clooney.
Yeah,
Like,
so we
yeah.
studied in Pune Convent, and we were
And we were from different sections as well.
yeah, and we have very different aesthetics when it comes and very different characters. So she has a very different lifestyle, and I have a very different lifestyle and vibes and everything. But then that one effort we put into getting to know each other, we pretty much have had a great time till now.
Yeah.
And
It's been 4 years, no?
4 to 5 years.
I think in those 4 years we've
fought,
fought,
fought more
for
than someone
yeah.
who's married for 20 years.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so and the idea of creating this channel was to majorly earn money, right? And
yes,
also like
a side hustle and to just
yeah,
get ourselves recorded through our early
college of
adult.
degree and
Yeah,
also maybe after that as well.
yeah. So we
So
just
when
have
we
something
yeah.
like a digital diary to create memories and store memories, so we can watch through it again after we grow old.
Okay, so through these 4 years, we've seen each other through like every single phase, and yeah, we want to see ourselves growing in the next 4 years as well. So that's why we thought we'll record ourselves, and like when we look back after those 4 years, we'll have like a lot of memories and all of it.
So, guys, the whole point of starting vlogging right now, I think all of you will definitely like our videos
Yeah.
because we will definitely try to be very raw, very transparent in all of it, in whatever we do from our day to day lives, or how we try to manage and juggle between studies and content creation and
Yeah, and
every other
also
hobbies we have started up.
yeah.
And
Yeah, so we're also being, I mean, we're working part time, so we will be showing how we are going to be managing that along with studies, exams, assignments, projects, traveling, everything. So I hope you also will relate to our videos.
yes, and realize that you guys are not the only ones struggling. You'll
Yeah.
see two people who are struggling to the core and they're posting it and just to embarrass themselves more.
No, I don't think it's an embarrassment, bro. So yeah, guys, just show lots of love and support to our YouTube channel and like keep supporting us. We will be trying to be as consistent as possible every week. Since we also have college, we'll have to meet and all of it. Yeah,
Okay.
so now we're at this place called Kahale. Yeah, now you can talk about the
Yeah.
place. It's
It's
like
a
a very old vintage themed
cafe.
place. Like they have these old printers, typewriters, telephone, cameras, and all. But it's a really aesthetic place. You can come and check out the coffee here. It's really cool. We got this hazelnut. Uh,
Was almost done.
yeah.
But yeah, I think it's a very perfect place for people who really love coffee or who want to, get that coffee taste.
It's in Jainagar.
Yes, in Jayanagar 4th block, I think. If you're students like us and you don't have a transport, you can just take a metro, get down in Jayanagar, and then it's just a 1 kilometer walk, which is
Yeah.
really very close by and commutable. So you guys have to
Yeah.
check it out. So just like this place, we'll be exploring more places, which is very very student friendly and
Yeah.
budget friendly and affordable for students like us. And we'll also be going on different trips
And
every
also,
month.
yeah.
Which
And
we'll tell
also, if you
about.
want like tips on how to create content and how to earn through it, like we are pretty much earning through the part times we are doing, and we are looking after our expenses. So we will try to give those tips as well. So do follow us and show lots of love.
Yes, yeah, please root for us and just give us a good support.
Yeah,
And anything is there at all, just comment us and or give
reach
us a
out to
review.
us. Yeah.
And we'll make a next vlog on that as well.
Yeah, I think our next vlog will be on, or no, we actually don't know. We actually don't plan anything before, and it's just
Yeah, we just
very
do it.
random. Yeah, so we'll record every bit of it and keep you updated. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
So, guys, earlier we told you about the part-time jobs and content creation that we are doing, and yeah, obviously you'll be curious, right? We will create another video for that, and like you can check out that video. Like we will explain in detail how we started the journey and how we're able to earn and everything.
Yep, so you guys have to just stay tuned for all those new crazy hobbies we've just started off in the mid year,
Yeah,
right after our 12th. And
and we're almost about to start with college.
yes, I think she'll be starting it by this month end, and I'll be starting it somewhere in the mid of this month. So we're still thinking of doing one trip before our college starts, so we can
Maybe to a beach or something.
yeah. So
We've
we can
already
just have,
covered two trips
yes.
after exams. One is to Udupi and one is to Mysore. The Udupi, okay, we'll create another vlog for
the
yeah, the
things that
experience
went
is
around there.
yeah there.
I mean, the experience we had in Udupi was a very very like we just planned it on spot.
I thought we were going to talk about that in another video.
Yeah, sorry guys. This is our first vlog and we're like genuinely fumbling a lot.
Yeah. Also, guys, do let us know if you want us to create content in like both the languages together, Kannada and English. We're comfortable with both. We just started off with English because we still don't know how YouTube works and everything. So yeah, like we want to reach to a greater number of audience also, right? So yeah, do let us know.
But if we are traveling around and exploring food places, you'll definitely see us talking in Kannada and vibing with people in Kannada and
Yeah.
sharing our frustration out in Kannada because things won't work out always the way we want it to.
So yeah, we'll keep you updated and do subscribe our channel to just get to know everything that we do every day.
So, as two students juggling around everything that we're interested in, and how exactly we will figure out life in general, and how we'll go about with everything we've started on. So, stay updated, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.